everyone, and welcome back to Dimitra's Dishes. Today, oh boy, do I have a recipe for you. I'm going to teach you how to make halloumi fries. They are so delicious. I think that they're better than French fries. They're just two ingredients really, and then whatever toppings and dressings that you want to put on them. Let's go over the ingredients, and then we're going to begin making these out of this world delicious fries. I have some vegetable oil heating up over here over medium-high heat. I have some coarsely ground semolina flour, halloumi cheese. For the toppings, I have some Greek honey, some sumac, and then some sriracha sauce with some tzatziki sauce. So I have a big chunk of halloumi cheese over here, and I'm just gonna slice it down into two pieces. And this is stored, or sold actually, wrapped up in a brine, so it's gonna be very easy for the semolina flour to stick to it. And I'm gonna cut it into little sticks. You're gonna get about 5 or 6 per piece. You're gonna get about 12 halloumi fries. We got 11 today, but that will do. It's a great recipe to make for birthday parties, just for anything, for barbecues, for a snack, for game night. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking each piece of halloumi cheese and I'm just rolling it in this coarse semolina flour. And now I did try this recipe with fine semolina flour and it does taste good, but there's something that the coarse semolina adds that's much better, which makes it a little bit more crisp. So if you can find it, use it. If not, go ahead and go with the regular finely ground semolina flour. The oil is nice and hot, and I'm going to go ahead and put the halloumi sticks in there one at a time, and I'm going to cook them until they're golden all around. You don't want to put too many in there because then the temperature is going to drop and they will not get crisp. Instead, they will be soggy. And don't touch them too much. I think after about 30 or 40 seconds, you'll see that they're becoming nice and golden. Then go ahead and flip them over. Once they're nice and golden all around, just take them out and put them on a pan or a plate that's lined with plenty of either newspaper or paper towels to absorb that excess oil, and keep frying these until you're done. While they're still nice and hot, go ahead and dust generous amounts of ground sumac into this. Sumac is nice and tangy. It's a ground up berry that you can find in Mediterranean or Middle Eastern specialty food stores. I will also link it in my Amazon store on my website if you can't find it. There really is no substitute to this, you guys. While they're nice and hot, go ahead and put them in a serving dish, or you can just serve them in a big bowl, and then everybody can put as much as they want of whatever the toppings that you have, but you're gonna see the way I do it. So I like to take some Greek honey. I know it sounds strange, but all this flavor is gonna just go together. You're gonna have some sweetness from the honey, the crisp texture of the semolina, the creaminess of the halloumi, and then of course you need a little bit of a kick. So I'm gonna put some sriracha sauce. This is spicy sauce if you can find it. And then I like to serve it with creamy tzatziki that I've chopped up lots of fresh mint, and I put it in here because it needs it. You know, it's gonna be nice and refreshing. It's gonna go perfect with these halloumi fries. Who would not want to have this at a party? I'm gonna go in and take a taste because these are supposed to be eaten right after they're made. Of course, wait a few seconds so you don't burn your tongue because they are gonna be super hot. That honey is everything on this. The sumac makes it nice and tangy. The exterior is so crisp because of the semolina. It just got really perfectly crisp. And then the sriracha adds a really nice kick of heat. If you don't like spicy food, then you can totally leave it out. Maybe sprinkle some ketchup if you like on there, or just leave it out completely and serve it with the tzatziki sauce. I think you guys are gonna absolutely love these. Let me know if you tried them, what you think. Share pictures with me on social media. Go ahead on the website, www.dimitrasdishes.com, and print this recipe. Make these as soon as you get some halloumi, you guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.